Naveen, for the past weeks or for the past months that you have been trained us, I see how important it is to see the V formation and the hold, and only then to take a trade after the hold. And you mentioned this also in other courses when you talk about the money spot and the test after the V. They all have the same meaning. And a lot of people ask the importance of the hold. So could you maybe share here with us the importance of it?
Yeah, there's a couple of things to understand from this. Is the V formation, as you've mentioned, right, comes from our course. The test comes from the course. The hold comes from the course. All of these things I've trained people initially in a pattern way. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that up and explain why is that pattern the way it is, and why is that so important. Because I can't explain logic on day one. I gotta show you on day one is learn this pattern, and then we'll discuss it when the time comes. So the time is here now. Okay, let's talk about this. So now the whole idea of what is a V formation, let's talk about that really quickly. A V formation and a hold. What's the difference in these two things? Okay, what's a V formation, what's a hold, and why are these pieces important? Now, in a design aspect, if a market is, let's say, going down, okay, a V formation is something comes up and it goes neck and neck where it came down from. Hence the word V. Okay? If it's flipped upside down, it's like an A formation, if you want to call it. But it's basically, this is what the V formation means. Now the hold is this area here. Whether you refer to this as a hold, or you refer to this as a test, or you refer to this as got nothing. Okay, this is the words that we use sometimes. Now, what happens here is technically people say two tests. Sometimes people say one test. Sometimes people say get ready to buy once the V formation is there. Now, the thing is, V formation is only half the information. So what this basically entails is if a discount is being offered so aggressively, a discount generally means I need to attract people not through my product, but through price. The word discount means they might even not know my product, but they do understand price and a good deal. People are inbuilt like this. It's like in the DNA, right? So whatever it is, if the price is discounted, this format, it's basically looking for a buyer, okay? This is how much a buyer bought and how aggressively the buyer bought. So the discount resumes because we're looking for buyers. But if you get a buyer that comes neck and neck aggressively, what is the concept of giving a discount now if there are buyers? Did you give a discount?
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't give another discount. If there is someone buying there, why give more discount?
Exactly, right? So there's no need to give a discount right now. So what happens is the test phase. The word test means let's see if they still want to buy if I don't give a discount. Test is basically like a engineering word, right? Let's test the system now. Let's see if it works. So they're no longer giving the discount to test the waters and saying, will they buy it at this price now? And that test launches to a new high because now buyers understand the product because they're using your product. They understand it. They like it. Now they want more of it. Does that make sense? So I'm explaining this in a rough logic way, but the whole purpose of a V formation and a hold or a test is that hold or test represents the discounts have stopped. The deals have stopped coming in. Now, if the deals have stopped coming in and you still want it, you're gonna have to pay more than what you were paying before because it's more expensive at this price than it was here at this price. So the test phase is to see, will they pay more? And that's the determination of the V formation, hold, and the test. Hold is the single most important thing that you can see in your trading.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. I'm seeing how much I feel safer also to enter after the hold. And the past trades that I took, and I shared also at the beginning of the week, I shared with the guys from the Anticipate, Don't Participate group, all the trades that I took, they were after the hold.
Good.
And that's when I felt safer to say, okay, now I can buy or now I can sell. So yeah. It's very important.
Correct. And I think in many of our courses we say the range is your best friend.
Yeah,
This will make more sense now.
it's definitely.